Hello. I want to go over some functionality added in our Vicinity 4.44 release, which is our September 2023 release. Specifically, this new feature is around value sets. You're probably familiar that we can use value sets as a field type, like a field type is like text, numeric, date, etc. We've also got a field type called a value set, and a value set is used in a few places in our system to allow a user to, or an administrator, to define a certain number of acceptable inputs. So you pick from a list, if you will, yes, no, red, blue, green, 1, 2, 3, 4, those type of things. So you can have a defined list. And up until this release, the actual order that is displayed, it couldn't be controlled by the user. It was displayed in the order in which the value set was entered into the system. So in this release, what we did is gave the ability to be able to move around this positioning of a value set. So for example, let me go and actually go to setup, and the actual configuration of where the order of the value set is actually in the value set setup. So I'm going to open up my actual value set screen. These are lists of the various value sets I have in my system. Again, I've got things like yes, no, shift, first, second, third shift, that type of thing. But I've got category I want to pick on here. And specifically, we've got a list. This is the way I ordered it. I entered it, food, chemical, paint, medicine, whatever. And I'm going to move my chemical and move it up to the top of the list. Now, this may sound kind of esoteric for this particular example, but if you're looking at things like urgency or severity, where you might want the most severe at the top or the most severe at the bottom, this may be of benefit to you. So just move it to where you want, save and close, and then when you reopen the screen, I just need to do that so it'll refresh that value. So I'm going to open up the attributes again. I think it was just a couple of my attribute sections down. Right here it is. Now you're going to see that chemical has moved up over food, and now it's controlled in that list. So kind of a simple thing that was added, but I think it's helping a lot of different clients that use value sets a good bit and want to be able to control the user experience for their users. This came directly from customer feedback. So if you see things like this, please let us know. We're happy to make your life a little bit easier by making changes to the user interface. Thanks a lot and have a great day.